Hello everyone, happy to have you back, and I'm certainly glad to be here with you. This is Anita White with Love Your Art, and we are going to get started today with another amazing Dutch pour. That's right, we have a 10 by 20 inch canvas, and we have already flooded it with the Artist Loft Acrylic white mixed with Floetrol and water. In fact, all of the colors used today in our composition will be mixed with Floetrol and water. We have need of popping air bubbles and looking for any uninvited guests to our party. We want to boot them out right away. So let's do that. Quite a few air bubbles here that can visibly be seen. So we're going to take and torch this really well and hope that we get all of the air bubbles out, and looking for any foreign debris, as I put it, uninvited guests to the party. So, we're looking pretty good. Let's see what we have joining us today. All right, who do we have joining us today? Well, we have the Grumbacher Academy Prussian Blue. We also have Artist Loft Metallic Blue. We have the Amsterdam Permanent Red Violet. And we have the Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet. Some that I had left over. I want to use that. I love, love, love that color. We have the Liquitex Basic Cadmium Yellow Deep Hue. And we have the Artist Loft Violet that we have left over as well. A little bit of that left over from our previous pour. And we are going to use some of our Liquitex base, actually Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White that we have in our base. We'll add that to our color palette as well. This is it in a squeeze bottle. Okay, so what we're going to do first is go ahead and put down some of the Grumbacher Academy Prussian Blue, and we will begin layering our colors on top of that and see where this can take us. All right, here we go. We're going to start here and move upward and back outward, sort of like that. Okay, maybe we'll do a streak that way as well, here and there. All right, that gives us a little bit more room to work with. And next color we have, I'm going to put the violet and the Artist Loft Violet on top of that Prussian Blue. We're going to just pull some of that in all the way down here, and put them over here to there, and we'll bring some of this in over here. All right, next we'll do the permanent red violet right on top of that. We'll do a nice squeeze of that on here. Really, really pretty color as well. And we want to bring in our white. Let's put some white in here. Awesome. And we'll put our permanent blue violet right on top of that white. Nice deep rich colors here. Love, love, love this color. And then we'll go with the yellow on top of that. And we will put some metallic blue on top of the yellow. Really pretty color as well. And I like to wrap back around. So I'm going to wrap back around with my favorite, this permanent blue violet. All right. All right, we have lots of color here. I think we're going to do really well with this design. We'll move our little friends aside and get ready to torch so that we can see what kind of amazement we can get out of this. All right, get some of this paint off my hand so that I can touch the torch without getting it all full of paint. All right, here we go. We are going to take our torch now and go for it. Everybody on one side. All right, here's what I'm thinking. We can take this up in this direction, that direction, and maybe just kind of pedal it out as we go. We'll see how that turns out. But we want to just make sure we get a good, nice, beautiful design. Here we go. Look at that. Wow, 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 wow. Amazing. Wow. Amazingly beautiful. Wow. We've got lots of rich color in here. It just flowed out beautifully. I'm just tapping this because there was just a string of paint that came outside of that. But the cells and the color in here is so rich and so, it's just well connected. I'm going to use my little tongue depressor, popsicle stick type tool here and capture this as fast as I can because I want this to come to rest quickly, and giving it a chance to rest as quick as possible means that we are getting this excess paint off, because as long as it's there, it's helping to move the design off the canvas, and it changes the complexion of the overall design. But this is just simply beautiful. I love, love, love the fact that we've got cells all throughout, but we have rich, deep color and iridescent shimmer shine from that metallic blue on top. Love it, love it, love it. Just getting that out of there. And we're going to bring you in for a close-up. So hold on. Here we go. Here we are with our close-up. And as you can see, this is absolutely amazing. Look at the shine from the iridescent, or actually the metallic blue that we put in here. It is just stunning what this has done to help these colors come together and truly, truly speak for themselves. We've got green in there where we didn't have any green, but the yellow and the blue and the purple really helped to make that happen. Oh, look at that shine up in this corner here. You can see it. Hopefully you can see that sparkle on top, and those cells are just awesome. Cluster of cells throughout. Love this. Just beautiful. These colors are just absolutely gorgeous together, and they made for a real special blend. especially with the metallic blue, giving it a nice shine and shimmer all the way across the design. Love, love, love this. Look at those rich cells. Everything is just so nicely coordinated, and these colors have come together, and they truly are speaking for themselves. Love it. Hope you like it too. Let me know what you think. Leave us a comment. And of course, if you haven't subscribed, you got to do that, because we really want to make you aware of when we have our next video upload, and that's how you do it. You subscribe. We really appreciate you joining us today, and definitely we appreciate having you come back. So subscribe, like, and share, and be ready for our next video upload. Until next time, keep loving your art, and please, if you're interested, just email me, Anita White, loveyourart@gmail.com. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a nice day. Stay safe and healthy, and we'll see you on our next video upload. Bye now.